My name is Emma Horsfall and I'm one of the property agents representing Leggett Immobilier in the Three Valleys. Today we're in the quaint little village of Le Châtelard and I have the great pleasure to introduce you to a beautiful mountain home. Let's go and have a look inside. The chalet is a complete renovation of an old barn which dates back from the late 1800s. This beautiful property is full of charm and character, which makes for a fantastic mountain retreat. The renovation, which took place in 2016, has been done with great attention to detail throughout. As you enter on the ground floor, you have a fantastic entrance which is very spacious. There's a really cool chairlift, ideal for putting on your après-ski boots before heading outside. There's also the beautiful barn doors which have been reused as a fantastic storage cupboard. On this floor is a beautiful double bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom and a walk-in dressing room. There is a grand staircase leading up to the first floor. On this floor you have a bedroom which is equipped with its very own ensuite bathroom. And there is a second bedroom which is currently laid out as a TV snug. On this floor is also a third bathroom. On the top floor is a stunning open-plan living, kitchen and dining area. The cosy fireplace is a true focal point which can turn depending on where you are seated in the living area. The owners have used much of the old wood to create this beautiful timber roof structure. There is a fantastic balcony which is drenched in sunlight, ideal for your morning coffee with your croissant. As you can see, we have a fully equipped spacious kitchen. The central island feature is perfect for socialising with family and friends after a hard day skiing. From this floor you have absolutely stunning views looking over the snowy rooftops up towards Saint-Martin-de-Belleville and its ski lifts. The property is situated in Le Châtelard, which is a beautiful little village typical of the Savoyard region. The village is actually quite authentic in its way that we have many locals that live here year-round, and we even have a couple of local farms which are still in activity. The village of Le Châtelard is conveniently located just 1.2 kilometres from Saint-Martin-de-Belleville. Here you have the departure for the huge ski area of the Three Valleys, which makes up 600 kilometres of groomed slopes, not to mention all the off-piste skiing itineraries which are on offer. In Saint-Martin-de-Belleville you also have a huge range of fantastic restaurants, shops and also the local pharmacy and bakery. This truly is one of my favourite properties as I love all the little attention to detail that give it its character. If you would like to have more information, please click on the link below and it would be my pleasure to organise a viewing of this luxury home.